Rolling. Oh, you're a clapper now too, huh?
Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. Today, I'm going to show you how I do it, or have done it, or going to do it. The fender, I'm going to grab those. The fenders
for a '69 Daytona.
Daytona
is about to fall on the ground. First production fiberglass fenders, and Dad drops them and breaks the bottoms off.
Anyway, of course, the fiberglass fenders do not have any holes from Janak. The way you buy them, this was the first set, and believe me, what Janak puts out, they're beautiful fenders. Boy, they fit absolutely perfect. I also got his fiberglass hood, so all this just goes together.
And your little buddies over there,
yes,
those little guys,
I got the whole kit.
Those fit like so perfect. It's just like you barely had to shave anything to like level it on the fender.
No, I know it.
I'm not sure which one that is.
I don't know either. You do it. I got one hand. Is that the one for that?
Nope. I don't think so, because you've got a little gap there.
Anyway,
exactly what I said. That was the reason they're so great.
Yeah,
look at that seal. Look at that seal.
That seal's better than the originals, that's for sure.
Yeah, so anyway, minor adjustment on that.
You got to have a hole in the back underneath on the real Daytonas that let air through. You know, Petty, they did a lot of stuff.
Petty? What do you mean Petty?
Richard Petty. They said it was for tire clearance, but actually it kept the car cooler, I think. I've read a lot of different things.
I thought it was downforce. Got air from under the car, up over the hood, over the tail.
Probably a lot of stuff. Janak, he just got these. He's got like sheets of them, or a sheet, and he's cut these out. This is the correct spacing and dimensions of the screens that they put in the rear Daytonas. And I've kind of marked this, the 6 inches, and this covers that. Of course, on metal fenders, they were probably just spot welded in underneath, and the Daytonas. These all just panel bond, but we're either going to paint them the same as the car, or we're going to powder coat these black. And
I said powder coat black.
I've been waiting on this because I had a 5-inch hole saw. This one takes a 6-inch. And I haven't cut these yet, of course. I got the other fender there to do. But we just got this in the mail. Been waiting on it. Chris ordered it. Amazon, it was what, like 13 bucks?
Yeah.
So I know we'll get 2 uses. It'll cut metal too, so we'll have it if we get some other fiberglass fenders for the other car. But that's what I'm going to do next. I mean, I'm just going to get a pilot hole here first in the center.
Yeah, we found the center. I think you used the little pipe pan, the metal thing. He's just gonna do it while we're talking.
I might as well do it while I'm filming.
Yeah, I mean, he's just...
I can come back to it. I gotta get one of our bigger drills and chuck it on.
Oh yeah, it's a big chuck. Big chucky chuck. We'll
be back in just a second.
All right.
That was quick. I'm back. You gotta have a pilot hole because you gotta have something for that to guide to, so...
I would say just go very slow and let it cut.
There we go.
Lift up and
I went backwards.
Go just light pressure.
Yeah.
Your battery's dead. Or something's chucking nasty there.
I don't know what that says. Stop.
We'll put it on.
There it is. Now it's okay.
Yeah, just go smooth. Slow and smooth. Nice.
I think it's almost through. And there it is.
I like.
Um,
Watch out, it's gonna be hot.
no.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Don't try to get that out of there with it in the drill. 'Cause
Yeah,
if you
so
accidentally start it.
that turned out pretty nice.
And you can see how these fit over. They're like perfect.
Yeah, put it on the underside.
If you're trying to make me do too many things, I'm not ambidextrous. Yeah, that'll look good.
Yep.
And that's how they're supposed to look.
Look perfect.
Of course, I'll have it upside down when I mount it, but
Yeah.
panel bond it.
Sounds good to me. That look good. You want to do the other one? Figure out where that needs to be exactly,
Yeah,
and
too, but,
you need to tell the measurement thing, because that's something somebody else would be like, "Why did you just drill a hole in the center of his fender?"
Okay, they say from the front of your scoop, you go back 6 inches.
Oh, so that's what this mark is. When the
Yes.
scoop's set there, that's the front
When
of
it's
it.
set, I put a little mark, put your tape on. There's the 6 inch. I put a little mark here. And then actually, when you buy these Harbor Freight trays that are magnetic, I
Yeah.
just put it upside down on there, drew my circle because this is 6 inches
Yep.
on the very outside edge. And then you just marked the center, you drill it out, and you're done.
Yeah, gonna be sweet.
So
I love seeing the big hole in the top of the fender.
I do too. But this has a couple holes. It's still,
Yeah, we're gonna cut on that part
There it
for
goes.
Dad to figure out how to get that out of there.
well, it's way down in there, and
Oh, it's just way down in there. It's just down in there.
golly gee.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'll get it.
Okay, got her marked, centered, everything. Pilot hole.
Looks right in the center.
I like it, looks good.
You want to drill the next one?
Oh yeah, I'll do it.
I don't know. I don't know if you can handle this much power and everything.
You don't trust me?
I don't. Oh, I trust you. I just don't know if you can handle it. It'll probably jerk it out of your hand.
Oh, I got down into that.
Oh!
That's gonna leave a mark. All right, 2 holes and 2 fenders. Love them.
2 holes. We got her.
All right, short but sweet. That's where his holes ended up.
They're gonna be nice.
Yeah, I like them. This car's gonna be so cool. I love it.
Yeah.
A little update on the car. Where they had welded the quarter, it's like they didn't transition this as good as it should have been. So we're putting a little skim there to try to make it a little better. And yeah, I think we're sanding the whole bottom down again. It's pretty good, but it needs to be better than what it was.
And the front nose, I think we're about ready to put sealer on it. It's behind you there.
Oh, yep.
I just 220, 320.
You 220'd and 320'd?
Yeah. It's really smooth.
My papa doesn't
But
420.
I'll have to take the flashlight and make sure there's no little imperfections. But the way Grant molds those, boy, they're pretty much dead on.
Yeah.
It's like the Fenders.
Beautiful. All right, see you next time on Clark's Place. Subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting on?
Yep.
Golly.
I know. Do it.
They should. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.